What if one simple freebie could unlock hundreds of new subscribers for your email list? Let's explore how to make it happen. One of the most effective strategies for growing your email list is by offering a freebie, an enticing incentive that encourages potential subscribers to share their email addresses. In this video, viewers will learn how to create and market a compelling freebie that resonates with their target audience. We'll explore various types of freebies, from ebooks to exclusive discounts, and discuss how to promote them effectively. If you want to see more videos like this, please support the channel by subscribing, sharing, and liking the video. By the end, you'll understand the immense benefits of rapidly expanding your email list, including increased engagement, higher conversion rates, and the ability to nurture leads over time. Join us as we dive into the world of email marketing and discover how a simple freebie can transform your business. Step 1. Identify your target audience. Identifying your target audience is crucial for effective email marketing. Start by defining who your ideal subscribers are based on demographics such as age, gender, location, and income level. Understanding these factors will help you create content that resonates with them. Next, research their interests and pain points. What challenges do they face? What solutions are they seeking? This insight will allow you to tailor your freebie to meet their specific needs, making it more appealing and valuable. Creating a customer persona is an excellent way to guide your content creation. This persona should encapsulate the characteristics, preferences, and behaviors of your ideal subscriber. By visualizing your audience, you can craft targeted messages and freebies that speak directly to them. This foundational step will set the stage for a successful email marketing strategy, ensuring that your efforts yield the best possible results. Step 2. Choose a valuable freebie to offer. Choosing the right freebie is essential for attracting subscribers to your email list. Start by selecting a format that resonates with your audience, such as an ebook, checklist, or template. Each format has its unique advantages, so consider what would be most appealing to your target demographic. Next, ensure that your freebie addresses a specific problem or need that your audience faces. This relevance will not only entice potential subscribers, but also establish your credibility as a valuable resource. Think about the challenges your audience encounters and how your freebie can provide a solution. For design and creation, consider using user-friendly tools like Canva or Google Docs. These platforms offer templates and features that make it easy to create visually appealing and professional-looking freebies. By investing time in crafting a valuable freebie, you'll significantly increase your chances of growing your email list effectively. Step 3. Create your freebie content. Creating compelling content for your freebie is vital to its success. Start by drafting clear and concise information that provides real value to your audience. Focus on actionable insights and practical tips that your subscribers can easily implement. This approach not only enhances the perceived value of your freebie, but also builds trust with your audience. Incorporate engaging visuals and a professional layout to enhance the overall appeal of your freebie. Well-designed graphics, charts, and images can make your content more digestible and visually appealing, encouraging users to engage with it fully. Finally, take the time to edit and proofread your freebie thoroughly. Ensuring quality and accuracy is crucial, as errors can undermine your credibility. A polished final product reflects professionalism and attention to detail, making your freebie a powerful tool for attracting and retaining subscribers. Step 4. Set up an email capture system. Setting up an effective email capture system is essential for growing your email list. Begin by choosing a reliable email marketing platform, such as MailChimp or ConvertKit. These platforms offer user-friendly features that simplify the process of managing your subscribers and sending out emails. Next, create a dedicated landing page that includes an opt-in form for your freebie. This page should clearly outline the benefits of your freebie and encourage visitors to subscribe. Make sure the opt-in form is prominently displayed and easy to fill out, as a complicated process can deter potential subscribers. Finally, ensure that the entire process is simple and user-friendly. A seamless experience will encourage more visitors to complete the sign-up process. By streamlining the email capture system, you'll maximize your chances of converting visitors into loyal subscribers eager to receive your valuable content. Step 5. Promote your freebie effectively. Promoting your freebie effectively is key to maximizing its reach and attracting subscribers. Start by utilizing social media platforms to share your freebie link. Create eye-catching posts that highlight the benefits of your freebie and encourage your followers to sign up. Use relevant hashtags to increase visibility and engage with your audience through comments and messages. Consider running targeted ads on platforms like Facebook or Instagram to reach a wider audience. These ads can be tailored to specific demographics, ensuring that your freebie is seen by those most likely to benefit from it. Additionally, engage with your audience through blog posts or videos that highlight your freebie. Share insights related to the content of your freebie and include a call to action encouraging viewers to subscribe. By combining these promotional strategies, you'll create a buzz around your freebie and significantly boost your email list growth. Step 6. Follow up with your new subscribers. Following up with your new subscribers is crucial for nurturing your relationship and keeping them engaged. Start by sending a warm welcome email that includes the freebie they signed up for. Thank them for subscribing and express your excitement about having them on board. This initial communication sets a positive tone for future interactions. Next, provide additional valuable content in your follow-up emails. Share tips, resources, or insights related to the freebie, ensuring that your subscribers continue to find value in your communications. This approach keeps them engaged and encourages them to look forward to your emails. Encourage feedback and interaction by inviting subscribers to share their thoughts or questions. This not only helps you understand their needs better, but also fosters a sense of community. By actively engaging with your subscribers, you build a strong relationship that can lead to increased loyalty and long-term success. In this video, we explored the essential steps to create and market a freebie for effective email list growth. We began by identifying your target audience, ensuring that your freebie resonates with their needs. Next, we discussed choosing a valuable freebie format and creating engaging content that provides real value. We then covered setting up an email capture system and promoting your freebie effectively through social media and ads. Finally, we emphasized the importance of following up with new subscribers to build lasting relationships. Now it's time for you to take action. Implement these strategies to grow your email list and connect with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us create more valuable content, so stay tuned for our next video.